Hello friends, welcome to glitsculture.in. This video we are going to show mercerized silk cotton sarees. 10 colors available in that saree. Saree length 6.2 meters. Blouse contrast color blouse. Price only 1500. It's a manufacturer price, friends. Market selling price is 5000 and above. Bulk quantities also available. You can order single pieces also. Single piece also we is giving cash on delivery. All over India shipping is free. International shipping also available. You are watching this video, same all are mercerized silk cotton sarees only. Same saree with different colors. 10 type of colors available in that saree. We are manufacturer of this saree. Shopping link given in description. Our website also you can purchase. Our WhatsApp number given below. You can WhatsApp us and ask video calling also to purchase the saree. 24/7 supports available. Saree available red, blue, green, yellow, maroon. All type of colors available in this saree. Saree length 6.2 meters. It's a party wear, regular wear, multi-purpose use saree. Wash is regular wash, shampoo wash also preferable. Blouse contrast blouse. Price only 1500. It's a manufacturer price. Market selling price is 5000 and above. All over India free shipping available, cash on delivery available, single pieces also available, bulk quantities available. Book your order soon. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.